Theorem number 12. If two sides and a median bisecting the third side of a triangle are respectively proportional to the corresponding sides and the median of another triangle, then two triangles are similar. Let first triangle is ABC and second is DEF and EL and DM are the median of triangle ABC and DEF. Given. Now, what is given? Two sides and a median of one triangle is proportional to two corresponding sides and median. Means in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AL and DM are medians from vertex A and D respectively. Also two sides and a median. Two sides means AB, AC and a median are proportional, means AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to AL by DM. It is equal. And we have to prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Now construction we produce AL to K such that AL equal LK. Similarly, we produce DM to a point P such that DM equal MP. K and P respectively such that AL is equal to LK and DM is equal to MP. Join BK and CK, BK and CK, also PE and PF. Now proof. In triangle ALB and LCK, in triangle ALB and LCK, ALB and LCK. Since AL is median, then it divides the opposite side in equal part, and since AL is produced to point K such that AL equal LK by construction, and this angle ALB is equal to KLC by vertically opposite angle. Then these two triangles ALB and CLK are congruent by side angle side congruency. In triangle ALB and LCK, AL is equal to LK by construction, LB is equal to LC. It is LB, not angle C, given because AL is median, and angle ALB is equal to angle KLC, vertically opposite angle. Then triangle ALB is congruent to triangle LCK, and triangle ALB is equal to congruent to triangle LCK. It means AB is equal to CK, implies AB equals CK. Now in triangle, similarly, in triangle DEM and triangle PMF, DEM and PMF, DM is median, means EM equal MF, also DM equal MP. By construction, DM is produced to P such that DM equal MP, and this angle DME is equal to FMP, vertically opposite angle. Then triangles are congruent, means EM is equal MF, MF, given DM is equal to MP by construction, angle DME is equal to angle PMF, vertically opposite angle. Then triangle DEM is congruent to triangle PMF, DEM, and it is PMF. DEM is congruent to PMF, means DE is equal to PF. D is equal to PF. Now in triangle ACK and triangle DPF. Now since AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to EL by DM. Now AB is equal to CK, DE is equal to PF, AC by DF, and multiply the numerator and denominator of AL by DM by 2. We have 2 AL by 2 DM. Now 2 times AL means AK and 2 times DM means DP, because M is the midpoint of DP and L is the midpoint of AK. We have CK by PF equal AC by DF equal 2 times AL means AK by 2 times DM means DP. Now in triangle ACK and DPF we have CK by PF is equal AC by DF is equal AK by DP. Means CK by PF is equal AK by DP is equal AC by DF. Then triangle are similar because corresponding sides are proportional. Triangle in triangle ACK and DPF we have AK by DP, CK by PF and AC by DF. Then since sides of triangle ACK and DPF are proportional, then these triangles are similar. It means triangle AKC is similar to triangle DPF. Now since these triangles are similar, then they are equiangular. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This angle is equal to this angle because triangles are similar, then they are equiangular. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle K is equal to P, and angle C is equal to angle F. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly we can show angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Similarly angle 3 equal angle 4. Now adding both these angles, it is equation 1 and let it is 2. Adding both these angles, angle 1 plus angle 3 is angle 2 plus angle 4. We have angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus 3 is BAC and angle 2 plus 4 is EDF. Means it is angle A and it is angle D. Now in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we have angle A is equal to angle D, means one angle is equal, and the ratio of the sides including these angles, that is AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. It is given. Then one angle and the ratio of the side including these angles are equal. It means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and it is proved.